Welcome back. This is Couple of Corsies. My name's Tara, and we're here again today to do another Lovevery unboxing. Let's get started. So we're here today to talk about the Lovevery kits for the 5 to 6 months old. This one is called the Sensor. Our first kit that we've received for our son Connor was the 3 to 4 month kit. That one's called the Charmer. In case you missed it, there is a link for that video in the description below. But today we'll get started with the 5 to 6 month box, again called the Sensor. So first thing, this is just for the parents. Again, every kit that you get with Lovevery does come with an instruction manual. So this goes through all of the parts that are included with the kit. It goes through kind of what kids are learning at this stage, what important things they're going through developmentally, and then it goes through what activities you can do with each of the items in the kit. So a lot of really good activity recommendations to keep things from getting dull or to feel like you're doing the same thing every day. So really good for as a parent's guide. One of my favorite things that they do with all of the Lovevery kits is that they do send kind of a recommendation of a good introduction sequence so that kids don't get overwhelmed. One of the biggest things that happens, especially today, is that kids get so many toys and they're all thrown at them all at once. And so one of the things that helps them engage better and to learn more is to introduce them in 3 to 4 day intervals. So it gives them a little bit of time. Sometimes the first time that you introduce something, they might not be interested, but then introducing it 2 or 3 times later, then all of a sudden they are more interested in how to use it. So this is a good map of kind of a suggested time frame for it. So this is something that we have already used with Connor already. It's a book that goes through the parts of me. It's been really fun to point out to him the different parts of the body on himself as well as us, and kind of making himself more aware of his body. On that same wavelength, this kit also comes with a pair of socks. So there's little bells on each toe. Kids at this age are really getting body aware as far as where their feet are, grabbing their feet, helping them roll. So these have been really fun with having him and how much he likes to kick and grab his toes. Also in this kit is a ball. So this is, obviously rainbow colored, lots of different colors. It's got different spots for him to kind of grab onto. This is a wobbler, so something fun for them to play with during tummy time. There's a few different activities that they recommend doing with this toy that we're interested in trying, one being with a cookie sheet and some water, just to make it a little bit different than just putting it on the ground. And then the last two are kind of big toys. So this one is a tissue box. So kids at this age love grabbing and pulling stuff out, particularly wipes, tissues, anything that they can find around the house emptying. This is a safe way to be able to do that. So something that they can take out. Again, between 5 and 6 months, they're putting everything in their mouth. So this is stuff for them that's safe to put in their mouth, and they really have fun pulling it out. So this has several different tissues that come in it. And then with parents, when they're getting ready to reload it, the bottom is just magnetic, so nothing that the kids can really hurt themselves on. And then these have just a buttonhole so that you can put them back together before you put them back in the box. Lastly is a wooden color wheel, so lots of different colors, make some noise as well. Connor loves spinning anything lately, so he has tried this one and he just loves hitting it and spinning it as fast as he can. So those are the components of this kit. As we talked about in our last video, so Lovevery is a subscription box. It comes every 2 months for kids under the age of a year, or every 3 months for kids over a year. Every month is roughly $40, so every box at this point for us costs $80. Best part is that it comes with ideas and you don't have to be thinking about ways to get him engaged. It comes with all those instructions for you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you're interested in learning more about these kits, there is a link for that down below. If you have any other questions, feel free to type them in the comments. We'd be happy to answer anything that we can. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a good day.